Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, it's Travel Smarts, back with another video, and this time we're tackling a beast that everyone loves to hate: airports. We've all been there, right? Stuck in endless lines, getting gouged for overpriced water and feeling like we're stuck in some kind of bureaucratic purgatory. But listen up, because today we're dropping some serious knowledge bombs. 5 airport hacks, plus a bonus tip, to save you time, save you money, and make your next airport experience, dare I say, enjoyable. Let's do this thing. Okay, so first up, let's talk about everyone's favorite airport nightmare: security lines. You know the drill: shoes off, laptops out, pockets emptied. It's like a weird, slightly invasive dance we all do in the name of travel. But what if I told you there's a way to skip the line, keep your shoes on, and breeze through security like a boss? That's where TSA PreCheck and Global Entry come in. Look, I know these programs sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me on this one. For like $80, TSA PreCheck lets you use those sweet expedited security lines in over 200 airports in the US. Global Entry is a little pricier at $100, but it gets you through customs faster when you're coming back from international trips. Think of it as an investment in your sanity. And hey, if you're a frequent traveler, that extra time adds up. Plus, some credit cards will actually reimburse you for the application fee, so it's like getting it for free. Boom! Travel hack number 1. Alright, let's talk about another airport scam: airport food prices. Seriously, $10 for a soggy sandwich? Who are they kidding? But hold up. Before you blow your entire travel budget on overpriced snacks, listen up. First things first, bring your own water bottle. Most airports have water bottle filling stations, and you can fill that bad boy up for free. Next level, pro tip, pack your own snacks. Trail mix, granola bars, beef jerky, whatever floats your boat. Just make sure it's TSA friendly, alright? Now, if you're feeling fancy and you've got some time to kill, check out the airport lounges. Some of them offer free food and drinks, and you can usually get access for a day with a day pass, or by using a credit card perk. Speaking of perks, did you know that some credit cards also offer lounge access as a benefit? Check it out, you might already have free lounge access and not even know it. Chapter 3. Luggage fees? Not today. Alright, let's talk about everyone's least favorite travel companion: checked baggage fees. Those things are like the bane of my existence. But fear not, my friends, because I've got some tricks up my sleeve to help you avoid those pesky fees. First and foremost, know your airline's baggage policy like the back of your hand. Every airline has different size and weight restrictions, so don't get caught off guard. And for the love of all that is good in this world, weigh your bags at home before you leave. No one wants to be stuck at the check-in counter, frantically rearranging their luggage like a pack mule. Another pro tip: wear your heaviest clothes on the plane. I'm talking boots, jackets, that heavy sweater your grandma knitted for you. It might not be the most fashionable look, but hey, you're saving money. Chapter 4. Free airport rides. They exist. Okay, we've conquered security, we've outsmarted the food court, we've even dodged those ridiculous baggage fees. Now let's talk about getting to and from the airport without breaking the bank. First up, public transportation. This is a no-brainer, people. Most major cities have trains or buses that go directly to the airport, and it's usually way cheaper than a taxi. Plus, you can sit back, relax, and let someone else do the driving. If public transportation isn't an option, check out ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft. They're usually more affordable than traditional taxis, and you can often find promo codes for discounts. And here's a little-known secret. Sometimes walking to a different terminal or a nearby hotel can actually get you a cheaper ride. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, it works. Chapter 5. How to fly like a boss, on a budget. Alright, we've made it to the final boss level of airport hacks, getting the best seat on the plane without paying an arm and a leg for it. Because nobody wants to be crammed in the middle seat like a sardine. Am I right? First things first, check in online as early as possible. Most airlines open up online check-in 24 hours before your flight, and this is your chance to snag a good seat before everyone else. Set a reminder on your phone because this is crucial. If you're not happy with the seats available at check-in, don't despair. Download a seat alert app. These apps will track available seats on your flight and notify you if something better opens up. Technology is on your side, people. Outro, you're now a certified airport hacker. Boom! There you have it, folks. 5 airport hacks plus a bonus tip to make your next travel experience smoother, faster, and cheaper. Remember, airports don't have to be a nightmare. With a little planning and these insider tips, you can navigate those terminals like a pro.